Today, I declare Psalm 23 over my life and my family. The Lord is our shepherd. Therefore, we shall not lack. We declare that every need in our lives is supplied according to God's riches and glory. We will not live in fear of tomorrow, because the God who has carried us this far will continue to sustain us. The Lord makes us lie down in green pastures. He leads us beside still waters and restores our souls. I declare that peace enters our homes, peace enters our minds, and peace enters every situation concerning us. Every weariness, anxiety, confusion, and heaviness is replaced with the peace of God. Our souls are refreshed, our strength is renewed, and our joy is restored. The Lord leads us in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. I declare that God orders our steps. Every wrong path is redirected. Every decision concerning our lives and family is guided by divine wisdom. We will not walk into traps, wrong relationships, wrong opportunities, or decisions outside God's will. Even though we walk through the valley of the shadow of death, we will fear no evil, for God is with us. I declare that my family will not be destroyed by what we see, hear, or experience. We are covered by the presence of God. No valley will swallow us. No storm will overcome us. No weapon formed against us shall prosper. The rod and staff of our shepherd comfort and protect us. Lord, go before us, stand behind us, surround us on every side, protect our going out and our coming in. I declare that the Lord prepares a table before us in the presence of our enemies. Where others expected shame, God will give us honor. Where there was rejection, God will give us acceptance. Where there was delay, God will bring divine timing. He anoints our heads with oil, and our cups overflow. I declare an overflow of God's favor, mercy, wisdom, provision, good health, peace, opportunities, and divine connections over my life and my family. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our lives. I declare that God's goodness will follow my family into every room we enter. His mercy will follow us into every season. His favor will speak for us where we cannot speak for ourselves. We will not be abandoned. We will not be forgotten. We will not be defeated. The Lord is our shepherd. We shall not want. We shall not fear. We shall not be shaken. We shall not be destroyed. We are covered by God. We are guided by God. We are protected by God. We are provided for by God. And we will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. In Jesus' mighty name, Amen.